Hello everyone, Agustin from the WeWeb team here, and we're back and I got some exciting news for you guys. We're running our newest challenge and this time around is our biggest challenge so far. With prices like a pair of AirPods, and 6 months of free hosting, and WeWeb swag, you don't want to miss this one, trust me. So the theme of this challenge is going to be Figma to WeWeb. So we just released our newest Figma plugin. So in this case, you're going to be able to participate by just using a template that we're going to provide to you, put it into your WeWeb project, and then apply all the modifications that you want. So go crazy on it. So add your own interactions, experiment with the layout, experiment with colors, and basically show us what you can do. And you got 1 week to participate, and the way to do it is to just share a video or a GIF of your app on X or on LinkedIn, and then tag us so we can see it, all right? I can't wait to see what you guys are going to create. Good luck and happy building!